Hello all, this is Dr. Aman from Odontos Dental Hospital and you are watching our dental podcast. Today in this video, we will be discussing dental implants and the pros and cons of getting them. Implants are modern, permanent solution to tooth loss. Essentially, a dental implant consists of a screw-like post placed in the jawbone and a dental crown attached to the post, making it look and feel like a natural tooth. The main advantage of a dental implant is that it's permanent. Unlike other traditional tooth replacement options such as bridges or dentures, a dental implant is secure to the bone and won't move around, so you can chew and speak with ease. Additionally, dental implants help preserve bone as the biting force transmitted through the implant stimulates the jawbone, keeping it healthy and strong. When a tooth is missing, the bone weakens and eventually deteriorates. Dental implants help protect against this. Another plus is that dental implants are aesthetically pleasing. Options such as dentures or bridges can often be clunky and uncomfortable and may slip or break over time. Dental implants look and feel like a real tooth, so you can smile confidently without worrying about how your dentures or bridges will hold up. Confidence and improved oral health are two of the major benefits of getting dental implants. However, there are some potential risks to consider. Because they are surgically implanted into the bone, there is a chance of infection or nerve damage. Additionally, healing time with implants can take longer than with traditional tooth replacement options. All in all, dental implants are a great option for anyone looking for a permanent, natural-looking solution to missing teeth. The benefits of increased confidence and improved oral health make the risk associated worth it for many people. If you have any questions about your dental implant options, be sure to speak to us or with your dentist about your individual needs. If you watched the video this far, please consider subscribing to the channel and also hit the bell icon. Take care, stay healthy, God bless you all.